On the recent poll, you did vote that you want to see a speed test between Realme 6i and Galaxy A71, and yes, today we're gonna do that speed test. Before that, I'm just gonna tell you a few specifications, I mean the main difference between these two devices, and then we're just gonna do our speed test. I will say that Realme 6i, it's coming with a Mediatek Helio G80 on 12 nanometers, and on the other side Galaxy A71 is coming with a Snapdragon 730 on 8 nanometers. The GPU for Realme 6i, it's an Mali G52, and for Galaxy it's an Adreno 618. Also we got 4 GB of RAM for Realme and 6 GB of RAM for Galaxy A71, 128 storage for both devices. Also both devices are coming with Android 10, but Realme it's coming also with Realme UI, and Galaxy is coming with One UI 2. And the main difference would be the price, which Realme 6i it's around £180, and Galaxy A71 it's more than double, with around £400 still on Samsung store. Okay, so being said, let's do the speed test. Before that, I'm gonna show you that there are no apps on the background, and I didn't turn any animations off. Also on the key menu, the brightness are quite the same, more than half for both devices, and they are not turned on automatic, so it should stay like that. Also no location it's turned on for any of these two devices, and no NFC turned on again for any of these two devices. So we're just gonna open all these apps and games, and then we're gonna see which one it's better on, keep them on the background. Okay, so we're just gonna start with the settings, one of the easiest, on 3, 2, 1, and we got Realme, I think so. Let's move on, calendar on 3, 2, 1. I think we got Samsung on this time. Come on. Let's move on, Play Store on 3, 2, 1. I think was Realme. Let's move on, Hot UK on 3, 2, 1. Wow, Realme again, interesting. Let's move on. Which one? I think was Galaxy on this one. Let's move on again. Was Galaxy on this one. Let's move on the next one on 3, 2, 1. I think was Galaxy again. YouTube on 3, 2, 1. Galaxy, followed by Realme. Speed test. Let's do a speed test and let's see the internet connection speed. Okay, because the Galaxy was the first one opening the app, we're just gonna continue with the Galaxy. 68, it's quite good. Yeah, and let's see the upload speed. 18.4, which is really good. Let's see on Realme now, see if it's good on connectivity. Well, 42, 45, 6, 7, and it's going up to 50 now, 51. So yeah, only 51 for Realme against 68, almost 69 for Galaxy. Okay, let's move on the next app on 3, 2, 1. I don't know which one is it. Again, I don't know, probably Realme was the first one, but I'm gonna check also on the computer, and probably you're gonna see better on the screen which one was it. Let's see the game now with the first one. see which one is gonna open the game faster. Got Call of Duty Mobile, and yeah, we got on Galaxy first, followed by Realme on this moment. We're just gonna wait a few more seconds to load all this data, and yeah, you can play already on Galaxy A71, followed by Realme, not that far away. Okay, and the last game, Asphalt 9 on 3, 2, 1. Well, same time? No, I think Galaxy took the lead on this moment. Also, you can share your opinion in the comments, and you can say which one was better, faster in your opinion. So yeah, we got Galaxy A71 first, followed by Realme 6i. Where is it? Okay, it's done. So yeah, after the first round, I would say that Galaxy A71 was the winner in my opinion, but not too far away from Realme 6i. Let's move on second round and let's see which one can keep them better on the background. 3, 2, 1. And we got Galaxy on this moment. Let's move on Call of Duty. Galaxy again. Moving on next up, Galaxy again. Galaxy. Wow, yeah, definitely faster on Galaxy, and again on Galaxy. I think it was Realme in this one. 3, 2, 1 again. Galaxy straight, and this one probably restart the app. 1, 2, 3 again. Galaxy definitely. Play Store, Realme, calendar, Realme, and settings on 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Galaxy again, and seems that Galaxy is the winner of this speed test. Well, it's much stronger, powerful Snapdragon, Mediatek, £400, £180. So yeah, these are the differences. And these are the speed between these two devices, so you can make an opinion in the comments like I said before. So thanks for watching this video. Give it a like, share, subscribe, and if you want to see, I don't know, different videos between these two devices, like comparisons, or the next video to be a gameplay for Realme 6i, just let me know. So thanks again, and see you soon with another video.